Grand awakening, Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the music, the ebooks. I cannot wait to meet you. Your word of the day is positive thinking, Libra. In the heavy winds, the tsunami, I know that you have so many thoughts. You're doing the best that you can. Not only doing the best that you can, you're exceeding the expectations that Spirit has for you. And they're saying, in the shift, going into a new season, we need you to think positive. Positive thoughts brings in manifestations. It brings your blessings in faster. If you think negative thoughts, therefore, Spirit says, oh, you need a lesson. You need a lesson so you can figure out why you need to not hold on to these emotions that I'm trying to get you to release. I want you to move on to the next level, Libra. You're the great gymnast of the zodiac, great balance, mind, body, spirit. So I know this is connecting. Dig deep, be your best self so you can walk into your blessing. My life is full of small patches of light. If you're in the darkness, if you see a small patch of light, ignore the darkness, ignore the negativity. Look at that small patch of light. That is going to be your manifestation. It can be your dream. Hold on to that. Don't get lost in the darkness. I direct my thoughts to what brings me well-being. I place what is weighty for me into the hands of the universe, and little by little, the light awakens in my being. And I find serenity because tough times last, but not always. There's going to be joy in the morning. Darkness doesn't last forever. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.